This is the all-new power scrubber line from Ryobi. We'll look at each one in detail when we get back. I'm Tim Johnson. You're watching Shop Tool Reviews. What you see here are 3 different power scrubbers from Ryobi. Now 2 of them, the larger ones, are driven off the 18-volt ONE+ platform, where the smaller one has an onboard battery that can be charged by a USB cable. Now the smaller one also has a 1/4-inch hex drive for the power scrubber, where you can easily pull that in and out just like you would on like an impact driver, where the larger 2 are running a larger pad that actually uses a triangular design for the pad to actually go on and off, or the scrubbing bristles, if you will. Now, they all come with a medium bristle brush, but you can actually get soft bristle and hard bristle brushes for each one of them also. Now, as far as price on these, the P4400, which is the smaller one, runs $49 for the tool and the onboard battery, as well as the USB cable and the bristle head with the medium bristle brush. That runs about $49. Now, stepping up to the medium, which is the P4500, this is going to run you $69 for the bare tool. So no battery, bare tool, $69. And the larger telescoping swivel head power scrubber is the P4510, and it's actually going to run you $99 for the bare tool. Now, one unique thing about all 3 of these tools is they're all IPX7 water resistance. So basically that means they can be underwater 3 feet for up to 30 minutes and it's still going to pass that test. So that's pretty good stuff. You can basically go in the swimming pool and clean the bottom of your swimming pool with these things. So great idea on Ryobi's part to be IPX7 rated. And you can see here in the battery compartments on these 2 with the 18 volt, got a very tight seal on these. So when the clip clips on, it's actually sealing that around the rubber seal around the rim of where this battery goes into. And by the way, we've tried a 6 amp hour battery in these. It's going to hold that just fine. It's not too big. And that holds a really tight seal on that. And again, made for the weather. So we actually used it for scrubbing a deck. So putting water on it, spraying water on it's not going to hurt it. Again, unless you're 6 feet down for an hour, shouldn't hurt these things at 3 feet for 30 minutes. So some of the features on these are, all of them have a simple on-off. Basically, you press a button and turns these on, press the button and turns them off. So an easy on-off, and again, no rocker switch that you see, and all of them are covered completely by a rubber membrane, if you will, that's keeping that switch from any water intrusion, if you will. So whether it's the P4500, the P4400, or the P4510, all of them have that same type of switch. Just basically turn on and turn off. Now the P4510, just like the P4500, you get the locking area down here that keeps the battery sealed really tight and water resistant. Also, you get a telescoping pole here, or a telescoping body. So you can easily just loosen this and lengthen this out to wherever you need it, wherever's comfortable for you, as well as on the flexing head here, easy just to push this button and to swivel that head wherever you need it. So really positions that, whether you're working overhead, whether what we were doing like we were scrubbing a deck, where you can put that down, whether you're scrubbing a wall, whatever, you can move that head wherever you need it to, as well as you can move this handle here, whatever's comfortable for you, and swivel this. So kind of set it up to your height, to what you're doing, to the job at hand, and easy to do that within a few seconds of kind of have the tool how you need it. Now, obviously, Ryobi's not looking at the pro platform. They're more of a DIY. And at first when we got these in, I thought, what are we going to find to do with these? And after having them a couple of days, I thought, we could use them to scrub a deck. Worked really well to do that. Sprinkled out a little detergent, used the power scrubber. It actually suds it up really well, cleaned the stains off the deck, so it worked really well for that. I would say with probably a soft bristle brush, worked good for maybe cleaning a work truck, something like that. I wouldn't put it on any nice car unless you don't mind a lot of swirl marks. But again, if you had a soft bristle, I would see no problem in cleaning up work trucks, work vehicle equipment, things like that. Hard bristle, maybe even cleaning grout, brick, pavers, things like that as well. Work very well for that. The medium, the P4510 or the P4500, we use this on actually cleaning up some wheels, and also the P4400 as well. And it worked very well for getting in and around the the large area of the wheels, as well as the tires, scrubbing the tires and getting all the dirt and crud off the tires, as well as using the smaller one to kind of work around small areas and things like that. So, and again, having that water resistance of the IPX7 rating, you're not worried about a little water getting on them, or a lot of water getting on them, really, because we definitely weren't submerging them, and we had no issues with them whatsoever, and they lasted a long time as well. We haven't run a battery dead yet. Even in the small 4400, we haven't done so. So make sure you check these out at your local Home Depot or at Home Depot online. Again, the P4400 is going to run you $49, but that includes the battery, the head, and everything. The P4500 is going to run you $69, but does not have the battery with it. So you got to have the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt battery. And then the P4510 is going to run you $99 again without the battery. I would imagine we'll start seeing some kit prices soon where it maybe has a battery or two with it, maybe even a charger. So we'll follow up with that. But for right now, bare tool only, and these are brand new. I mean, within days of actually making it on the shelves and actually making it online. So really excited about these. Again, I didn't think that I would be, but we're finding more and more uses for these, and they work really, really well. Easy to take the scrubbers on and off, easy to put them on. They seem to have enough torque to turn, even putting a lot of pressure on it when we were cleaning tires and cleaning the deck. They just keep turning. So good job on that, Ryobi. Make sure you check them out at your local Home Depot or Home Depot online. Also, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video, and even that bell notification, because that's going to let you know when new videos are available. Go out and do something nice for someone, and have a great day.